Good morning, Grateful Gang. I'm listening to my girl Monique talking about her planning system. She's such a planner girl. She's such a planner girl.
Take care of those calls myself.
I do want to focus on her video, so I'm just going to let Pat pause her right now. But it is, let's see, it's Wednesday the 17th of December, and I am up. It is now 6:54. I've been up since 5:30. I'm working from home this morning and tomorrow morning because today I have the eye doctor appointment. Tomorrow I have the specialist appointment. And I was like, if I'm gonna be up, I'm gonna get up really early because I'm trying to mitigate the travel time. So I'm up checking emails. I want to get a load of laundry in so I can really focus on my emails because that can do itself. The heating guy is supposed to be coming here. I don't know if I told y'all, but the heater is not heating down here, in my opinion. When I go upstairs, I'm so hot, which is fine. Heat rises, but I don't know where the heat's rising from because there ain't no heat downstairs. I texted the guy and was like, hey, because one of the coldest days, my house was at 51 degrees and the thermostat was set to like 70. And I was like, it's still 51 degrees in here. What's going on? And why does this say auxiliary heat? The heating guy, I told him I have an appointment. Well, I told him I have to leave by 11. My appointment is at 12 and I'm probably going to leave at 11:30. But you got to tell people a little bit earlier because then they get here when they want. So I hope he's going to get here closer to 9 or 10. And so I'm up and about my business, y'all.
That's what you see here.
Watching my girl, Alexandra Rodriguez, I think. Love her Vlogmas series she's doing. So good. She's wrapping gifts today and watching The Office. But I wanted to show y'all the sky. Because how beautiful is the sky? I'm not even sure y'all are seeing it really good. It's beautiful. Look how pretty that sky is, y'all. Like, I still don't think y'all are seeing the fullness thereof. It's so pretty. Let me see if I can try one of these ND filters. No one of the sides is open. I'm interested. Oh, but the sky's going away so quickly. I'm interested to see if putting one on will make it look more vibrant, although now it's not as pink as it was before. Sadness befalls me. Yeah, it's not as pink. Yeah, it's not as pink, but hold on, let me see. No, it just kind of made it darker, which is good when there's a lot of light, I guess, but
Sun is hitting my face, I'm unfazed, I need this. Calling out my name, say meet me, see these waves. Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, let the seas sway with me. We're getting my energy, let the seas sway.
Look at how much, even it don't look great, but look how much better it looks in here with just the Christmas stuff out. And that right there is still Christmas. That's Christmas. Like, there's so much crap in here, but a lot of it was holidays. So what I've been doing is in the guest room, it's warm up here, it's just cold downstairs. I've been putting the Christmas stuff over here, and that's where I'm gonna put the rest of these tubs because no one's in the guest room right now. Just gonna put the tubs right here just because these are more organized and I want to switch them all out to the black and gold and look through them. Let me grab the space heater my sister gave me because Downstairs is cold. Up here is so warm. Downstairs is cold. I'm back, and that's because my girl was about to count up some money. She got that big rack money. And she's doing Christmas saving right now. So I'm gonna put her on hold so I can listen. I am just here because I got a package. I was like, who's at my door? I thought maybe it was the guy to come check on the heat, but it wasn't. Here's my package. I ordered something yesterday because one of the problems I'm finding with, well, side effects that I'm getting with that GLP-1 is not like nausea or anything like that. It's constipation, y'all. Sorry, TMI. But constipation is real out here. So I was talking to my friend, per usual, Salisa, and we were on the phone yesterday, and she was like, girl, try this probiotic thing she sent me the link for, which I'm gonna show you. I pray that it works. I did manage to go to the bathroom yesterday, but baby, it wasn't fun. So while I was ordering, I got some D3 and K2 because in order to get it the next day, I had to order like up a dollar more or something. So I got the D3K2. I always take this, and it's not almost done yet, but I'll have a backup because I knew it was something I was still gonna need. And I had healthcare money this will come out of, and this is what she sent me the link for. This is something she recommended, and she's a nurse. So physician's choice, developed with doctors, no refrigeration needed, and 60 billion probiotics, daily digestive support, 10 diverse strains, 60 billion CFUs, and contains prebiotics. So it has probiotics and prebiotics. Now it wasn't cheap, honey. It was like 20 something dollars, I want to say, and you only get 30-day supply. Whereas when I buy my vitamin D, I get like a 90-day supply for $10. But yeah, but we're going to try it because I went yesterday to the bathroom, but it was hell and high water to get it done. And I was like, oh, this is not for me. This constipation. I go to the bathroom normally, regular, every day. And I sealed, which we like. Let's see what these pills is looking like. Organics, vitamins that I take, they're so hugington. But I bought them, and I'm going to take them. Okay, so these are more like a capsule. It seems like they're full of something. I'm not doing a good job of showing this. There's a capsule. We're going to take it right now. Right now. Water always on deck. It went down, but you're not a pill person. It ain't for you. It felt kind of huge. But I'm adding this to go upstairs because that's where all my medicine is that I take all at once in the morning. We're going to put these right on the little ledge. This is what I do when I know something needs to go upstairs. I add it to the ledge because when I'm going upstairs, it goes on the ledge and I'll see it on my way upstairs. And so like that. Okay, guys, so still working, but just wanted to update you. The guy who did the heating came to check on the heat and air, the same one whose company installed the heat and air. He just left. He changed my air filter for me, which was really nice, and he also let me know what was going on. So what happens is when it gets really cold outside, sometimes your heating unit will switch to auxiliary heating. Auxiliary heating will then kick in the house in the air handler upstairs. Your air handler will have heat strips. You can get up to like 10-degree heat strips, 10 kilowatt heat strips. And I asked him to check. I believe mine do have 10 kilowatt, he said. However, after further review, he states that one of the thermostats that are in the air handler, not the thermostats that are in my home, one of them is not working. Sorry, y'all. So he is going to come back on Monday, which works because I am off on Monday. I would have had him come back tomorrow, but it's too much trying to do him and the early morning doctor tomorrow. Not a vibe. And it's going to rain tomorrow, so I don't need nothing tracked into the house. He is going to come back on Monday and change the thermostat, the broken thermostat. I asked him how much he was going to charge, and he said he was not going to charge me. So I really appreciate that. Of course, the me and me wants to also still give him a tip for being so great about coming out and taking care of my stuff. So yeah, that is our update. I'm on the last load of laundry. It's finishing up in the washer, hoping I can get that last load in the dryer before I leave and let it dry a little bit and then turn off the dryer, because I don't like to leave appliances like that running in my house when I'm not there. Just too much fire hazard. kind of situation. Everyone seems so needy right now. Not that I'm not at work. But yeah, so that is the update. Sorry, I've been all over the place, but that is the update, y'all. And good news. That's such good news. I still have my little sister's space heater over here, which is awesome. Right there, it's on the floor, keeping me warm. Guys, so we made it to the eye center. It ain't nobody really in here. And they have the cutest little thing I want to show you. Can I show them this? Can I? This is so cute.
Yeah, and you can vote too. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Whatever number you like the best.
So cute.
Right on this.
Oh, somebody went big. Go big or go home, number 3. And someone went traditional. Very cutie. So nice. I'm gonna vote. I can vote. I don't know. Y'all know my house is traditional, but there's something about that number 2 I really like. It's giving girly glam. Oh, I love this one too. The little snowman. Yeah, they did a good job. I don't think I'm going to be able to wear glasses. But you know what? Y'all know I love my little glasses look, that I'm going to get me some fake glasses to go over the contacts because I'm a glasses girl by nature. Ooh. These are pretty. Of course I like those.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want.
I'm hoping I don't have to be here because I gotta drive into work when I'm done. And I messed up my nail. I don't even know how. I think going in that. Oh, I didn't tell y'all. So I went to leave for the appointment and my thermostat was off. And I was like, why is the thermostat off? The man just left. Girl, it's an error. It can't read. And I get there and it's like, no. It's not on. So now I had to get into the attic to go flip it. I called him. I was like, hey, thermostat's not on. He's like, oh, I might have flipped the switch the wrong way. He apologized. So no big deal, y'all. I'm just telling y'all what happened. I was in the attic trying to find the switch, flip the switch, but I'm only telling you because I kind of messed my nail up. I'm hoping it's on top and not like a problem. Anyway, y'all, let me go and wait. I'm gonna read my book while I wait. What's up, grateful gang? Happy Thursday. It's the 18th of December and I made it to the doctor. Y'all will be so proud of me. Although I avoided all the highways. Jingle, jingle, jingle with me now. Sorry. I avoided all the highways and I did find back roads, but I made it. It was like a 45-minute, 50-minute drive to get here. But it was at 10:15. I got here at like 10, so I was early. I read my book a little bit. I just really want to finish Real. I've been reading Real by Kennedy Ryan for the longest time. I just want to be done. And so I think I'm 80 something percent in now. The goal is to get it done by this weekend, prayerfully. And we meet with the doctor soon, so I just got all my things done. I weighed in over here, and it pretty much lines up with what my scale said this morning. So I guess that's good. However, I feel like I have not been really losing any weight. The thing went up, and I feel like I'm not losing any weight. And I don't know why or if that's normal, but I'm like a month in and dull already, but and then I actually feel like it's working as far as like not being as hungry anymore. But I don't know if I'm just not eating enough or beats me. Either way, I'm at the hospital. It's where her office is, and we'll see how it goes.
No, you don't use your phone
I
anymore.
don't use my. I do actually have YouTube, but I will take.
Are you an influencer?
I don't want to influence anybody unless it's to love the Lord. Okay.